Hello students, I am Sushma Tambat working as an assistant professor in mathematics. I welcome you all in online classes. In online classes, it is easy to make connection with you all and this will help us to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. In this video, we will see the syllabus of mathematics. There are two SEMs in FIPCS. In SEM first, we have three papers. Paper first, matrix algebra. Paper second, discrete mathematics. Paper third, mathematics practical. And in SEM second, again we have three papers. Paper first, linear algebra. Paper second, graph theory. Paper third, mathematics practical. Each paper having 50 marks. Out of 50 marks, we have 35 marks for university exam, 15 marks for continuous assessment. These are the objectives of these subjects. In semester first, paper first, matrix algebra, there are 4 units. Unit first, introduction. Unit second, linear equations in linear algebra first. Unit third, linear equations in linear algebra second. Unit 4, determinants. In unit first, there are 3 subpoints: matrix operation, the inverse of a matrix, characterization of invertible matrices. In unit seconds, there are 4 subpoints: system of linear equations, row reduction and echelon forms, vector equations, the matrix equation A into x equal to b, and solution sets of linear systems. In unit third, there are 7 subpoints: partition matrices, matrix factorization, linear independence, introduction to linear transformation, the matrix of linear transformation, subspaces of Rn, dimension and rank. In unit 4, there are 3 subpoints: introduction to determinants, properties of determinants, Cramer's rule, volume and linear transformation. Paper second, discrete mathematics. There are 4 units: logic, lattices and Boolean algebra, counting principles and recurrence relation. Unit first, there are 3 subpoints. First, revision, propositional logic, propositional equivalences. Second, rules of inference, argument in propositional logic, validity argument, direct and indirect methods, rules of inference for propositional logic, building arguments. Next, predicates and quantifiers, predicate, n plus predicate or n-ary predicates, quantification and quantifiers, universal quantifier, existential quantifier, quantifiers with restricted domains, logical equivalences involving quantifiers. In unit second, there are 7 subpoints: relations, types of relations, equivalence relations, partial ordering relations. Next, diagrams of relations, matrix representation and composition of relations. Next, transitive closure and Warshall's algorithm. Next, Poset-Hussey diagram. Next point, lattices, complemented lattice, bounded lattice and distributive lattice. Next, Boolean functions. Introduction, Boolean variable, Boolean function of degree n, Boolean identities, definition of Boolean algebra. Next, representation of Boolean functions, min term, max term, disjunctive normal form, conjunctive normal form. In unit third, there are 4 subpoints: cardinality of set, cardinality of a finite set, basics of counting, the product rule, the sum rule, the inclusion-exclusion principle. Next, the pigeonhole principle, statement, the generalized pigeonhole principle, its applications. Next, generalized permutation and combinations, permutation and combination with repetitions, permutation with indistinguishable objects. In unit 4, there are 5 subpoints: recurrence relations, introduction, formation. Next, linear recurrence relation with constant coefficients. Next, homogeneous solutions. Next, particular solutions. Next, total solution. In next video, we will see paper first, matrix algebra. Thank you students.